What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna talk about the invisible box challenge. I don't know if this challenge is still relevant to this day. That's up for you guys to decide, but in this video I thought let's go ahead and cover how people actually do it and is this real. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. Right, so the concept of this challenge is that you're basically stepping over an invisible box. Now I don't know what kind of videos are real and people that have practiced it, and what kind of videos are just edited. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this bucket and we're gonna just mask ourselves out, and it will look like we're just stepping on actual air. I'm gonna show you guys the end result with this bucket, and obviously then I'm gonna show you how to actually edit this. Okay, so how this works is you want to take an obstacle that is really easy to, to mask out, that also has a bright color. So you want to make sure that you will just place your object in the center of the screen, and that you're fully in the screen as well, that you're not cut off on your head or something like that. Then you want to just go ahead and make sure that you will put your right foot over it, and that when you're putting your left foot over the obstacle, that they're not crossing it. Otherwise, you're going to crop out your other leg. So make sure that your left leg, or the leg that you're swinging over the object, is not crossing the object. You want to make sure that they're just separate. And right here we're going to take a little break just to talk about today's sponsor. So you guys know that my channel is all about learning, whether it's video editing, if it's growing on YouTube, anything like that. So I found the perfect opportunity to start learning even more today, and that is going to be using Skillshare. So I teamed up with them because Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, technology, and a lot more. And what's really important is that categories can be altered depending on audience and the channel. So why would you choose Skillshare? Now guys, I want to mention that for not even $10 a month, you can get access to so much more premium content, because premium membership gives you unlimited access to high quality classes from experts working in their fields. So you can improve your skills, unlock new opportunities, and do the work you love. And that's what I really like about Skillshare, and that's why I partnered up with them, because this is just so affordable. Not even $10 can get you so much more content where you can learn new stuff. And if you go ahead and click the link in the description, the first 500 people that sign up through the link below will get a 2-month free subscription. So make sure to go ahead and do that. These spots are limited. The first 500 will get their free 2 months membership. And obviously all these lessons come in different languages, so you don't necessarily need to speak like English, because there are so many more languages spoken on the platform. So guys, make sure to check out the link in the description to learn more about Skillshare, and let's continue with the video. So then when you're finished, you want to basically just look around a little bit, like wondering how this works, because then that's going to make, make the effect even more believable. And then what you also need at the very end is you need to take away your object, and you need to just have a still frame your location without any object to put that underneath your clip as a mask. So if you would like to learn how to do this, make sure to smash the like button down below, and I would say let's get started. Alright guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 16, as you can see, this is the clip that we're going to use, and what we're going to do is going to be really simple. So this is basically the clip of me just jumping and stepping over on the bucket, and this is just a clip of the empty shot that we also need. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and hit the event pen crop icon, hit mask at the bottom, and we're going to make sure that we will mask out this bucket. Go ahead and hit sync cursor. Then we're going to pick the anchor creation tool, which is this one, and I'm going to make this window a little bit bigger so we can actually see what we're masking. All right, so then what we need to do is we need to mask out the bucket like that, and then we're going to just go ahead and connect these right here. So this is basically the bucket that is now masked out, but we need to go ahead and put the mode from positive to negative, so we will have a black spot on our preview. Then we're going to go up and move up a few frames. We need to mask around our shoe, because if we're not going to do that, you will see our shoe disappear in the mask. When my shoe is starting to, you know, get into this darker area, we're going to go ahead and make sure to mask that along. So I'm going to move up a frame. So now we're going to move this keyframe, and then we're going to move up frame by frame, so we will make sure that our shoe will be actually masked out as well, because we don't want to have, you know, this mask overlapping on our shoe. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust these masks, as you can see, move up just a frame, and then I'm going to keep masking until my shoe is not affected by this effect. So that's what you want to do. I'm going to speed up this process because it can take a while, and you guys are and I'm not going to bore you guys with sitting here for 10 minutes straight. So I'm going to keep masking my shoe out like that, so it will not be affected by the effect itself.
Where the ocean meets the sky, under your toes, fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Right, so I just got done masking, and right now we have this black hole that we need to fill up, and that is where this blank shot comes in, where you don't want to have anything in the screen, not yourself, not the object, anything. Just go ahead and make sure to remove everything, and then what you want to do is create a new video track, and you want to place this guy on top of it and the other one below it, so it actually fills up the space. So if I play it back, this is basically what it looks like.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready.
So that's how simple it is, guys. This is how you create this invisible box challenge. Just go ahead and place a subject, mask it out, fill it up with the background, and it's that easy. So that's it. Thank you so much for the continued support. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, obviously in a brand new video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.